Good morning to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Maridel Beharin, 33 years old, married. I have two brothers and one sister. I'm the third child in family. I have two sons and two daughters. I work domestic helper here in Philippines in 2 years. I serve family Joby Aquino. They have 3 children. When I started, there was a baby boy 3-week-old only. Schooling kids, they have 2, 5 years old and the other 7 years old. I can take care both newborn and growing kids. I take care my 4 children from birth. I would like to work in Hong Kong for my family. With children, it's okay to me, new baby and toddler. And also I do washing, ironing, cooking, going to market. I want to work in Hong Kong to more earn money, to support my 4 children, to help my husband for the future our family. I hardworking, fast worker, and willing to learn Hong Kong procedure. Mom, please teach me. I wish I could your family. And please confirm very soon. Thank you and a good health day.